Okay, if you've made it to this point, it's because you are a verified YouTube creator who is, because of Google, unable to upload your own custom thumbnail onto your own video. This is 100% Google's fault, so call them and tell them that they need to get their poop in a group. But for now, we're gonna go to our video editor and we have a solution of our own. So scroll down a bit and you'll see here upload thumbnail is grayed out. This is how it looks for creators who are not verified for whatever reason, forcing you to choose between the 3 auto-generated thumbnails. But we're smarter than that, so we're gonna go over to upload thumbnail and right click on the text, go to inspect. This is called Chrome DevTools, this window that popped up here. If you scroll up a little bit to YTCP thumbnails compact blah blah blah, this is essentially the code that defines the container of the button that you're trying to press that's not allowing you to press it, essentially. So there's an attribute called disabled that is currently set in this button, which is not allowing us to click on this button to upload our thumbnail. So to fix it, it's as simple as just double clicking on disabled and deleting it. So click away and voila,